What's up, guys? I'm Paul from Grill Your Ass Off, here with
Jason. Today we are going to be making some shotgun shells.
We got some ground sausage that we chopped up a little more. It wasn't really ground sausage, we had it in the fridge, so you can make whatever you got in the fridge.
You take your sausage, you cut it open, you chop it up. That's how Paul does it. And since Paul's Italian, I'm only like a third Italian. Paul's a full Italian with the hint of New York. He's gonna take over this recipe right here and show us how it's done. I'm just here to taste test at the end and be, you know, the funny guy. So okay, here we go. He puts the sausage in the bowl.
Boom. Get it all. Take your shredded mozzarella. As much or as little as you want.
We want a lot, okay?
Then I come
That's
back.
not a lot.
We want to make.
We want a lot. You need like double that right there, okay?
Double lot.
We want this to be cheesy.
Give me a little too.
Isn't that how you guys do it? It's a mozzarella.
We're gonna add some sour cream, make it a little creamy, so it gets easier putting it in the
Everyone
shells.
likes the white cream, okay? This one's not as salty as the other one you're used to.
Good, you can mix.
Oh yeah.
Mix it
Everyone, if you've seen the other video, let's bring it back down to the board. All right, guys, we want to mix this in thoroughly. You want to get it good and mixed because not all swimmers are just as strong, okay? We want to make sure we take this white cream and we get it all the way in there around that meat. Once you are done getting all this stuff mixed in, we're then going to put it inside of some protection. I know it sounds backwards from what you're used to, but hey, that's how we do things sometimes with cooking. Paul, what's your thoughts?
I think we're good.
All right, we're good.
A piping bag would also work, but we don't have that. We just have this Texas size Ziploc.
Hang on, Paul, I gotta get all this fucking cheese.
Get it all. That should be good. All right, now what we gotta do is we gotta boil our shotgun shells like 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes.
All right, guys, Pitmaster Paul's pulling it out right now, putting it back on his fine china. You can hear the sizzling. He's just making a mess everywhere. He's not used to pulling out early. That's why he's got a kid.
That's true.
All right, guys, Paul just pulled out the noodles. What are we gonna do next?
Now we are gonna cut the piping bag or the Ziploc and fill the shotgun shells.
All right, you wanna cut it? I'll hold.
I will cut it.
All right.
Yeah.
That is like a bad circumcision. All right. Hold it and I'll stuff it. This isn't the first time I've stuffed something inside a ball. Is that good?
Yeah, that should do it.
All right, let's see. Beautiful.
All right, now we're gonna wrap the shotgun shells in bacon.
Again, guys, I know I've said it in other videos. Make sure you try and get your bacon as even as possible. You don't want all the in cuts or anything like that to where it's uneven. Doesn't look good. Also, if you look over here, you can see the fact that Paul is using a cooling rack. So that way the bacon gets good and cooked all the way around whenever we go set this thing on the grill. And you put a cooking tray underneath it, put some tin foil, silver side up, or shiny side up, so that way it's quick and easy.
Now that all these shotgun shells are wrapped with bacon, I'm just gonna come along the top and season with our Infidel Pork Rub.
You're gonna come all on the top?
All over the top.
All right, let's get going.
That's why they call it the money shot. That should do it. And we're gonna go put them on the Traeger at 325. I got the Traeger running at 320, 325. I'm gonna let these go until the bacon gets nice and happy.
Hi, yo guys, my name's Pitmaster Paul. We got our shotgun shells done right here, straight out of fucking Long Island, New York, all right? We're gonna take it, we're gonna swallow it. Just kidding. Shotgun shells are done. These look absolutely phenomenal. They smell phenomenal. Paul, what do you say we grab one and try it?
Let's do it.
Just touch the tips.
Ooh.
Cheers, guys.
Actually pretty good.
You get the creaminess from the cheese, the crunch from the bacon. Sausage is just phenomenal. The cheese. I've never done these before. Now I'm pretty disappointed it's taking this long.
Definitely exceeded my expectations.
All right, guys, if you guys love watching me fill follow up with some white creaminess, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, get all of our recipes in the link below, including all of our seasonings. We'll see you on the next one.
And remember, smoked meat, not meth.